Let's review how to use the Plants and Flowers accordion on the Gardener page of Toolkit.law. Start by selecting the Self section, then open the Gardener page. Click on the Plants and Flowers accordion to access this calculator. Here, you'll begin by choosing your measurement unit, such as feet. Then enter the length and width of your garden area. Next, add your plant spacing value, the distance required between each plant. Once all fields are filled, click the equals icon to instantly calculate how many plants can fit into your selected space. If you want to start over or adjust your measurements, simply use the clear icon to reset the fields. This tool is perfect for busy professionals who want to plan a small garden, design a relaxation corner, or explore outdoor wellness activities with accurate, structured measurements. It helps eliminate guesswork and ensures your planting layout is both organized and efficient. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Plants and Flowers accordion.